All right, we couldn't make up our minds on what we wanted to do. The little city that we built was really cool and it gave us what we wanted to know, but it has to be built a lot bigger. So we were like, well, should we make it like hot and an arid environment? Or should it be like something that's full of trees and, it's like growing and flourishing and would be cool? So we said, we asked our audience, should we make one that's hot or should we make one that's cold? And of course, we always go off of what you guys say because you give us the greatest information ever. And it was a 50-50 tie across the board. So we were like, great. Everywhere that we asked people questions about it, we got, oh, I love it hot or oh, I love it cold. We never got anything that was in between ever. So we decided, well, what the hell? What if we figured out a way to put the two together? So we put all this foam together, and Vanessa came in and we gave her a wire brush and we locked everything down by putting glue in it. And we actually put some screws down through it so it couldn't move around. And if you just take the wire brush and rake it across there vigorously for like an hour or so, it really steps it down and makes it look kind of like a cliff face. It makes it look like it could be the Grand Canyon or something like that. So we're at that point now. So stay tuned. Vanessa's going to paint it really soon.